guys, thank you for joining another tutorial. So as you can see my browser, you have to type netcat, which is short name is Network Academy. This is from the Cisco. If you wanted to use Cisco Packet Tracer, you have to go to netcat.com and go to login. And once you go to the login page, if you don't have a login username and password, you can create from here. In the below you can click on sign up. So once you click on the sign up, you have to provide your email, password, first name and last name, and the country of the region. So you have to wait some time for 24 hours Cisco to activate your username and password. So I do have already. I'll go back to the login since I have done my registration. What I'm going to do, I'm going to provide my username, which is my username as you can see, and I'm going to put my password. So as soon as I put my password, the application will take back to me the Netcat Academy. So once you come over here, Netcat Academy, you will see a lot of different options like career option, course option, resource option, and my Netcat Academy. So in order to get a packet tracer in our laptop, we have to go resource and we have to scroll down. It's called download packet tracer. So once you click over here, this is the brief overview of Packet Tracer. If you have a 64-bit operating system, how much memory you needed and how much CPU you needed, and also if you have a 32-bit application, 32-bit Windows machine, what are the requirements. So once you come a little bit down, as you can see that Windows desktop version, it has a 64-bit and also 32-bit, and Ubuntu and also Macintosh. So it doesn't matter which operating system you have it, Packet Tracer available to install. So I have Windows. I'll click in Windows to install it, 64-bit in my case. So as you can see, it's downloading in .deb. So as you can see, I downloaded .deb. This is the Mac version, but I'm going to install the Windows version, which is .exe. So I'm going to say run as administrator. Since my computer is Windows, so based on your operating system, you have to choose which option you want. Accept term and condition, and this is the file path where this Packet Tracer is going to be installed. If you want, you can change it, but I'm going to keep as it is. Click next, and if you wanted to click shortcut, you can do it. It's up to you. I'm going to say next, and I'm going to say install. So installation is going to take a little bit time. Sometime depend on your. So my one is done. So I will say finished. So once you finish, it will ask you whatever default, just choose yes. I would say it's not harmful, or if you don't want to, you can say no. It's up to you. And once you open this Packet Tracer in your browser, it will ask you the username and password. If you don't have username and password, you cannot log in. So as you can see, if you open Packet Tracer from desktop, you can log in and you can tell your computer to remember for next 3 months or so. But I'm going to click in the logo where it says Network Academy. If I click on here, I have to provide my username and password that I have it. So I'm going to put my username over here. Whatever username I do have here, then I will click my password. So as soon as you provide your password, you will see this is your Packet Tracer. So once you're here, you see the workspace in the below. There's a couple of options. You can click in end device, router, and there's a connection also available, this arrow, and all the physical cable that you needed successfully to do the lab. So everything is pre-built for you and you should be good to go, drag and drop. So this is all about. Next video will take a little bit more. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. See you in next video.